Hey there, Ryan Urlacher here from Law Abiding Biker Media. I hope you're well, definitely hope you're getting some riding in. So, we released a full install tutorial video for these awesome Ciro Fang lower lights for 2014 and newer Harleys equipped with lower fairings, and I'll link to that video in the description below. We found that these lights from Ciro really fill in the low and high areas and left and right areas that a Harley headlight just doesn't cover. We think these are a great addition to your Harley and will give a rider much better visibility at night and allow you to be seen better by other motorists day or night. So here's a quick comparison between a stock Harley and then a Harley with Ciro Fang lower LED lights installed to illustrate what I'm talking about. All right, let's take a look at these bad boys. There you go. Those are going to offer a ton of extra light out to the side. We'll show you that in a moment. The difference between stock and go ahead and hit a signal there. Obviously they turn to amber when you hit that signal. Looking really good. All right, so this is our Ultra Classic with the stock headlight on low beam, and you can kind of see how it fills there. All right, so this is a shot with our Ciro Fang lower fairing LED lights and signals. You can see how there's a lot more fill light. And if we pan down, you especially notice it compared to stock. You notice it on the ground out there, again, out to your left side and right side. All right, your journey's not done on the channel. I'm popping a couple of videos on the screen here for you. Hopefully some useful or entertaining. Heck, maybe both at any rate. Get out there and ride every chance you get, Bikeaholics. Peace.